Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to join the family, and also turn on the bell notification when you subscribe so you will not miss our videos. And please guys, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like so that YouTube can also share this type of videos to other people looking for similar videos on how to take care of their hair. So today's video I am going to be making a simple effective hair growth shampoo with African black soap. This is a creamy cleansing shampoo. It is very cleansing, moisturizing for your hair. Please watch this video to the end. Alright, we are going to be making a very creamy cleansing shampoo that will not strip your hair out. It is going to soften your hair, moisturize your hair, and also cleanse your hair and scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. Okay, using it alone can strip your hair or make your hair very dry, but adding other amazing ingredients that I will be introducing to you will leave it soft, moisturized, and deeply cleansed as well. So guys, this shampoo is very amazing. So we are going to be making use of black soap, like I said, African black soap. So alright, I am going to be showing you guys 3 steps on how to make a cleansing creamy shampoo with African black soap. So the first step is to go ahead to grate down your African black soap. You can use a knife to chop it down if you prefer, but I prefer this method. If you have a grater, go ahead to grate it down because the melt down process will be easy for you. And then I am going to be adding in rose water to the first step. The first stage, we are going to be adding in rose water. You can add in aloe vera juice or ordinary water. I'm still going to be adding in water, which I will show you guys in a few moments. So guys, stay tuned. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of rose water because rose water is very amazing to softening the hair, reducing dandruff, and also reducing the oiliness of our hair. It reduces frizz, it adds shine, it helps with scalp issues, it improves hair growth because it has vitamin A, B, C, and also it has the ability to promote hair growth. It nourishes the scalp. Alright, we are also going to be adding in shea butter to this stage because shea butter is very amazing and protecting hair against heat damage, moisturizing and softening the hair. This is going to allow our shampoo to be very creamy, nourishing and moisturizing, and not stripping down our hair. So guys, shea butter is very amazing in moisturizing and softening the hair. It's sealing in moisture to the hair and prevents hair loss. We are also going to be adding in oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be adding in my oil blend, which has aloe vera, which has rosemary, thyme, black seed, and some amazing herbs ingredients as well. You can use any oil of your choice. It has almond oil. Like this is a oil blend which has some herbs in it, so it is very nourishing and helping in hair growth. So I am going to then go ahead to use my spoon to cut down my shea butter and then do the double boiler method. I have a pot of water on my gas already. I am then going to put this on top. Okay, I'm going to put this on top to melt it down. So alright, for the second stage, we are going to be doing a double boiler method by melting down our soap and oil. So after melting it down, this is what it looks like. So everything is melted now, though it is still thick. I am then going to be adding in my clean water. You can use a distilled water or a table water. Make sure the water is very clean and good for the hair. So I'm going to be adding just half a cup of water, and then I'm going to be using my spoon to break everything down because it can take a while for it to melt down completely depending on the amount that you are making. So you have to be patient, and this process is very time consuming. So you just have to leave it down and stir it and make sure everything is melted completely. So I'm then going to go ahead to bring it down after it has melted, and this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it looks creamy already. So we are also going to be adding other ingredients, which is our third step, the cool down ingredients. Some ingredients that are heat sensitive, like our essential oil or preservative. So this is going to be our third step. Our final step is to strain it down. So after straining it, make sure to strain it down with a cheesecloth, because there are some particles under, which I will show you guys. It looks like sand, so you don't want to allow this to go into your scalp. You have to strain it completely. So at this stage, you can then add in other ingredients like aloe vera gel. I'm going to be adding in my aloe vera gel. This is also an aloe vera extract. It is very, very great in promoting hair growth, preventing itchiness, and also making our shampoo conditioning and moisturizing and softening to the hair. It promotes a healthier, shinier, and softer hair. So I will also be adding in glycerin. Oh my god, glycerin deeply moisturize and hydrate the hair. Glycerin is one of the best known humectant alongside honey. It removes split ends, promotes hair growth, and repair damage. So this our cleansing creamy shampoo is super amazing. It contains amazing ingredients. I am then going to go ahead to add in my vitamin E oil. If you have a preservative, depending on the quantity that you are making, you can add in preservative at this stage as well. So after adding in my vitamin E oil, I will then go ahead to mix it up with this little whisk that I have. You can use a spatula, a mixer, or a spoon to mix yours up. So I'm going to give it a mix thoroughly, and then for just like few seconds, just mix it up, not too much. Right, this is our creamy cleansing shampoo. It is ready. You can go ahead to allow this to sit, to allow the bubble to come down a little bit, or you can go ahead to just pour it into your container like I am doing. So after about some few minutes, the bubbles are going to come down. This shampoo is very moisturizing and also cleansing at the same time. So you don't have to worry if your shampoo is going to be very cleansing. It is cleansing, it will not strip down your hair. It is going to remove your dirt and oil from your scalp. It is very, very cleansing, guys. As you guys can see over here, I am also going to be showing you guys while using it on my hair. Like, I am not going back to using other shampoo. This is going to be my shampoo from now on, guys. So let me show you guys while washing my hair to see how the shampoo cleansed my hair, softened my hair, and also defined my coils. My coils was well moisturized and popping. While washing your hair, you have to also focus on your scalp, because our hair grows from the scalp. This shampoo is not only creamy and cleansing, but also it encourages hair growth and prevents hair loss. Normally, African black soap has multiple benefits. Create a healthy environment for hair growth. It allows the hair follicles to be properly nourished, and it also promotes blood circulation to the scalp. I absolutely love this, and I am not going back to using other shampoo. Like, this is going to be my staple shampoo from now. I have never seen my fussy hair this soft after just using a shampoo, and my fussy hair this defined, not stripped off. Like, I absolutely love this. No breakage at all. So after rinsing my hair, I will show you guys what my hair looks like. I have not even applied my conditioner. My hair looks beautiful, guys. Who said fussy hair can't be soft and manageable? If you love this video and you have watch this video to this extent, or you enjoyed watching, please like this video so that YouTube can help share this video to other people looking for similar videos like this. Guys, my hair is popping. Like, who say fussy hair is not beautiful? Who said so? So guys, I hope you all find this video helpful. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Share this video to your friends and family, and then I'll go ahead to finish up with my wash day by conditioning my hair and moisturizing it. I hope you guys love it. Bye for now, guys, and stay blessed. Bye.